Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I want to share with you a really delicious and easy side dish. I'm going to be making this for my Easter dinner. Just some green. They're super simple. I want to share simple things that you might have on hand or that you could probably get. So I just wanted to share the recipe with you. They're delicious, they're easy, and that's really it. That's all I got for you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think and what else you'd like to see. Okay, so for this you're going to need some green beans that I just washed and trimmed. You're going to need some red pepper flakes, some soy sauce. If you don't have soy sauce, just substitute it for salt. Some garlic and some unsalted butter. If you don't have butter, just use olive oil. And you're also going to need a cast iron skillet for this. If you don't have one, just use whatever you have. So to my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm going to add in my butter, and I'm going to wait for this to melt before I go ahead and add in my green beans. Okay, so my butter is pretty much melted, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my green beans. And what we want to do is we kind of want to blister them on each side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay them down here, and then to this I'm going to add in my garlic and just kind of mix it around. I'm going to let these cook, I don't know, 60 to 90 seconds before giving them a few more stirs, so that way everything gets nice and blistered and your green beans have this like charry feel, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's delicious. And then I'll show you kind of what you're looking for before we finish off with the final two seasonings. Okay, my green beans are getting nice and blistered, and I do want to say your garlic is going to be pretty crispy at this point. If you don't like it like I like it, which is like burnt to a crisp, just add it in later. Maybe add it in at this step rather than in the beginning. So now we're going to add in your soy sauce. I know. Smells delish. And then the final step is the red pepper flakes. As little or as much as you want. You can totally leave them out too if you don't want any kick, but I think a little bit really gives it that good flavor. I'm going to let this cook for about 50 to 60 seconds, not minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and plate my green beans. And I'm going to enjoy them. Do you see like the brown? Oh, so good. Alright, so I hope you guys found this helpful. I know it's not anything like top chefy, but it's so delicious. Something you can make for yourself for this Easter. I know it's a little bit different right now, but I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!